Still in the Christian faith, praising God through different cultural ways and languages brought together these worshippers at the Nativity Praise Concert.
Praise has done a lot in the life of our youth currently, bringing them to love God the more and to enjoy our kind of music and also know what godliness is all about.
It takes them away from the street. It takes them away from juvenile delinquencies. It takes them away from drugs and the things that can be destructive to their life. When they come in, the word of God, the Spirit of God, the fresh water from above pours upon their head, and they are able to meditate and connect straight to God in heaven.
Gospel ministers Chinyere Doma, IT Dennis, Praise General, and others took turns in leading the audience in praise.